Oh, your blue eyes speak to me of your soul. Like a viola, a wave of beauty comes forth from your soul, and it showers the world with love. Feeding our soul brings hope of a better world. The gentle touch of your smile fills my heart. You are my companion to grow old. As we may age, our love grows with the years. You gave me all in life I see as good, our home and our girls. Our days seem like never-ending dreams of things that I never thought could be. The one who made my life complete. Indescribable beauty sits deep in your eyes. The love you reflect casts light on every day of my life. The look in your eyes can make my heart skip. I've enjoyed this trip from the day I laid my eyes upon your face. Life with you is renewed. You have filled my life with joy, and my days with purpose.
Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you.
I wake so I may strive to build upon your flowering gift of elatedness. So to you, my love, I thank you so, and I pray for the end of your love. I never know.
Take my hand, take my whole life too.
For the month allows us to shower you with gratitude. May it be a wonderful month of your birth.
But